What's up, everyone? In this review, we're going to be talking about Luminar Neo. Luminar Neo is a powerful photo editing software that combines the best of AI-powered tools and traditional editing techniques. It's designed to help you create stunning images with ease and efficiency. So in this review, we'll be talking about the key features, pros and the cons, the pricing, and at the end, you'll be informed on if this is best for you. So let's dive right in. Starting with the features, at the top of our list is the AI-powered editing tool. You can use the AI to automatically enhance your photos with just one click. You can also explore a wide range of tools, including layers, masks, and blending modes. You also have advanced masking, where you can precisely select and edit specific areas of your image. If you're into color grading, you can also create stunning color palettes with ease, and the non-destructive editing will help you to experiment freely without damaging your original image. As with any software or services, would like to mention the pros and cons as we say it. Just scanning around, you can see that it's a user-friendly interface where it's easy to learn and use even for beginners. Powerful AI tools, as we mentioned before, will definitely help you to save time and effort with AI-powered features. With the creativity available, you can explore a wide range of creative possibilities. And we must mention the high quality results, achieving professional looking results with minimal effort. On the other side, while most of the features are user friendly, mastering the advanced features may require some learning. Also, it's resource intensive and can be demanding on your computer's resources, especially for large image files. Now, when it comes to the pricing, of course, you can see that it's currently at an 84% off, which means that occasionally you can get good deals when you're using Luminar Neo. And currently, you have two main options. You have the 12-month subscription of $39 billed yearly, or you can go with the lifetime perpetual license at $69, which is a one-time payment. So depending on what you're picking, you can see the differences right here. More on the pricing. If you'd like to get on this sweet deal, follow the link in the description after this video to get a whopping 84% off applicable to one-year deals. In summary, Luminar Neo is a fantastic photo editing tool that offers a powerful combination of AI-powered features and traditional editing techniques. Among others, we would definitely recommend Luminar Neo. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, Luminar Neo can help you take your photo editing to the next level. If you're intending to use Luminar for the first time or you're an experienced user, let us know down in the comment section below. Hit the like and subscribe button for more content on reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.